Yo guys, Ponchi here, and today I want to show you how to sample on the Analog Rytm. So I have a Mother 32 hooked up to my Analog Rytm here. I have it hooked up to the audio in on the left, so that way it's just going to be coming in mono. Of course, the Mother 32 is a mono synth, so if I play on the keyboard here on the Mother 32, you can hear that. So let's go through each of the parameters here. THR, that is the threshold, so that corresponds to this little bar up here. So basically what the threshold does is, if you do threshold recording, as soon as it detects that the signal goes above that threshold, it'll start recording immediately, which is kind of nice, so you don't have to be worrying about pressing record. So the next one is the source. So right now I have it set to audio left. You can also do audio right. You can do each one of the individual drum tracks. You can do the main out. You can also record through USB. Next parameter is the monitor parameter. So you can choose to monitor the audio through the Analog Rytm or not. So in order to do arm record, you just press yes, and then as soon as the audio goes above that threshold level, it'll start recording. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, then press yes to stop. It'll automatically normalize the recording for you, the sample, and then this is where you can choose to trim the edges. Okay, and then press function and yes to preview. And then finally hit yes, and that will trim it, and then you can go ahead and save it. So we'll just go ahead and name this Moog 1. Come up with a better name later. Okay, now you can assign the sample to a track. So I'm going to go ahead and assign it to 7 here, which is normally a tom, but I'm not going to be using that tom. So, and then from there, you can back out of here, and you'll see that it's automatically assigned over here in your sample slot in the sample menu. Okay, and one thing that is definitely important to mention is that you need to go to the source menu here and turn down the actual drum sound. Go back to the sample menu and turn up the actual sample. So you can go ahead and just put it all the way, or put it around 100 where it was before, but now you'll be able to play the actual sample and not have the drum sound. And then from there, of course, you can use it as a normal sample like you would do normally. And then, you know, you can, in this case, it being a synth, you can use it melodically, create a melody with it to go along with your beat. Hope that helps you guys. See you in the next video.